So today we are at Woodbridge Center and it is Ganesh Chaturthi today. So we are here to meet Ganesh ji. We heard that in Woodbridge Center, New Jersey, there is festival going on. So I just want to witness that how USA is celebrating Bappa. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Prithvi? कौन है ये?
Ganesh ji!
Wow!
So I was kind of inspired by my birth of my daughter, and my sister and I started this company about 4 years ago. And the unique feature here is that these are cultural plush toys, which didn't exist in the market, so we actually just created our own.
Yeah, even when I saw that board, it's like I never seen something like this. That's why I came here.
So what it does is basically, this is Lord Krishna, and like for example, you just press and it sings mantras. And they all do that, so they all have unique mantras.
Let's play Ganesha also.
Yeah, Ganesha is also same thing. It sings Ganesh mantras. And then this is Durga Devi, Hanuman and Saraswati. And we're coming out with Lakshmi Devi soon. So we're just keep coming out with like different gods, and we're getting like kids like that are really getting inspired, and they're...
He's my son.
Oh, there you go. So basically, this is what inspired us, because when we went to see like what is our cultural toys in the toy aisle, we couldn't find anything. So we kind of created our own line, and now we're getting so many messages from parents that because of our toys, they're learning mantras, and they're like 2 years old.
How much is the cost of this?
So cost of this is online, so we are only an online store, but we are running special. So basically for this toy, we sell it for $25 right now. This one is a little bit expensive because it's bigger. This one is $40. This one's $40. So we basically are just selling online. Our address is moditoys.com right there.
Yeah, I already recorded it.
There you go. So yeah, we are, and then we're actually also just we're going to expand in India. We moved all our manufacturing to India now, so all our toys are going to be 100% made in India now.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
cool.
including electronics, everything is going to be now made in India.
Nothing from China.
Nothing from China. Thank you.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So, how is your feeling, seeing Bappa in New Jersey?
It's like very positive. I'm extremely happy because I was thinking what will happen. All Indian festivals, Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri. Coming here, I got to know that here they have a grand Navratri celebration also. So I know whenever we have any festival, where to come. Community here is amazing. Everyone is so helpful. They understand. Nobody pushes in the queue, so that is a good thing. And yeah, they have a grand 1,500 pounds big modak. I'm feeling amazing coming here.
So I know that Ganesh Chaturthi is something which you've been celebrating from all of your life, and you were missing that in USA this time, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So बस बप्पा ने तुम्हारी सुन ली, यहाँ पे भी आ गए, और क्या चाहिए? गणपति बप्पा
Moria.
So today I'm traveling on New Jersey Transit. From Newark Airport, I came here to return the rental car which I took from JFK, Newark Airport. I took an air train and I reached here, which is NJ Transit. It's a kind of a train. Now I'm gonna take the train and I'll go to the Rahway, where we are staying right now in an Airbnb. Let's experience how the NJ Transit works and how it is different from India. The stations are pretty empty. There's nobody much here. It's very clean as usual. They have restrooms, they have a waiting area everywhere in the station. Let me show you one. This is my ticket and it is something around $13. The train is pretty comfortable and it's very quiet and very clean. Seems good. Is my station, Rahway, and I will take an Uber from there to my place, which is Cartwright. So I am out from the station right now. I'll be booking Mumbai to Mumbai. So if we talk about the quality of the train, it is just like शताब्दी राजधानी जो हमारे इंडिया में होता है, उसी तरह की क्वालिटी है चेयर का. So we are good.